Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. I haven't seen you for a while, it's been a couple weeks. Hang on just a second. Week 9, obviously life's changed a little bit, and I just want you guys to know that I understand, and if there's things I can do to help you, please let me know. I can give extensions and work whatever ways. I know life has changed, and a lot of you are home with your children or still working, which probably is worse. I don't know, but I'm happy to help. Just let me know what I can do to help you get through the end of this class. So this week we're going to be doing sleep and infant care, introduction to attachment. So SIDS is the big topic. So what I need you to do this week is, here's just some information, just some information about SIDS. You're going to complete a SIDS training. You're going to do a SIDS assessment, and then you're going to complete a co-sleeping discussion board, okay? So go into the folder, and the first thing you're going to see is the SIDS training PowerPoint. You need to view this PowerPoint, and after doing the PowerPoint, then you're going to need to do the assessment. So here's the assessment. You will not have the answer key, that's just in my full board. But then you're going to have a discussion board on the pros and cons of co-sleeping. So you might have to do a little bit of research on that. I'd like you to really think about it. I know some of you might co-sleep. You might know people who co-sleep, but look at some of the statistics. I'd like you to do any reading that you can. So please Google co-sleeping, find out what the dangers are, what the pros are. There's a lot of cultural things about it that make it lots of people do it. My sister was a big co-sleeper with her children. I was not. So just, you're going to debate it. You're actually going to be assigned. I'm going to go to, what I'm doing here is just going to the discussion board post. It is right, sorry, these are all your old ones. Trying to get to it. Here it is, co-sleeping. So here's the pros and cons of co-sleeping in the folder named co-sleeping information in week 9. So you actually don't even have to go Google it. You'll find a folder with a bunch of articles about co-sleeping. If your last name begins with A through K, you're going to read the article about for co-sleeping. Follow the directions below. If your last name is L to Z, you're going to be against it. So that's the side you're going to take, just for discussion. For this week's initial post, your job is to summarize the strongest points in the article that you read and share your own personal reaction or experiences with this issue. In your response post, reply to one person who has posted from the other point of view. Okay, so your initial post is due by Friday at midnight, which I have changed to Saturday at midnight. Just to give you a little bit more time. Okay, so let me know what you think, if there's any questions that you have, and I will see you next week. This folder, the folder of pros and cons of co-sleeping, will be in the weekly folder before you go into the assignments part. Okay, have a great week and take good care.